In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Play Family Library to share your Google Play purchases across your family group's different accounts. This feature is incredibly useful for families who want to share their favorite apps, movies, and books without having to make multiple purchases. So let's dive into how you can maximize this feature and conveniently share your digital content. First, to get started, it's essential that both of the accounts you plan to use are added under the same Google Play family group. This is the foundation upon which sharing is based. When you're setting up a family group, make sure you have a family manager who will invite members. All members must accept the invitation to be part of the family group, enabling seamless sharing. Once both accounts are included in this group, you'll find it much easier to share purchases. Now, it's important to note that while purchases made with your Play balance, such as apps, movies, and books, can be shared with other family members, the Play balance itself doesn't transfer between accounts. So, as you plan to share content, remember that although your family can enjoy the access, the balance will remain tied to the initial purchasing account. Moving on, another way to make use of your Play balance is by purchasing Google Play gift cards available if your country supports this feature. You can use your Play balance to purchase these gift cards. Once you've got a gift card, you can redeem it on the other Gmail account that you wish to share content with. This provides a great workaround to transfer purchasing power. However, do ensure you check the availability in your region, since gift card purchases with Play balance aren't permitted everywhere. Next, let's talk about using your Play balance to buy and share apps or subscriptions. You can purchase an app, a game, or a subscription that you're interested in. Then you can share access to these purchases with your other account through the family library. If the app or subscription supports it, you might also be able to use account linking. By doing this, you'll gain the flexibility to enjoy your purchases across multiple devices without repeatedly spending more money. Throughout this process, remember that patience and attention to detail are key. Ensuring everyone is correctly added to your family group and understanding the nuances of sharing will enhance your experience. Also, stay informed about the regions where each feature is available to avoid any inconvenience. I hope this guide enables you to seamlessly share your Google Play content with family and make the most of the convenience offered by the Google Play Family Library. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing with your loved ones.